worked so hard on that. You're just a circus monkey.
You're nothing special.
Stop daydreaming.
To them, Mia was never family.
Who taught you that?
Nobody. I practiced alone. She's the real talent.
The girl they treated like trash was the only one born extraordinary.
Do you know what you're gonna do today? There's a lot of work, so get it done quickly. Take it to the laundry quickly. I need it in 2 hours.
Go wash the car, I'll check. Don't waste time here.
She worked. Residents every now and then.
They look so happy together. I wish I could join them.
Do it again, you circus monkey.
I didn't see it.
Everyone's just laughing at you.
I'm just practicing here.
I'll go inside now.
Mom, Dad, look. My teacher wrote this.
Clean up the kitchen after dinner.
Yes, I will. I just wanted to show you.
You have special potential? Nonsense.
Dad, she said I could...
Stop daydreaming. You're nothing special.
Listen to your mother, you loser. Everyone's just laughing at you.
I just wanted to try. I'm not good enough yet. I didn't mean to interrupt. It took me so long. I needed something to practice.
Clean this mess up now. Take responsibility for your actions.
Your brother is very upset. Do not cause more problems. We need her here today.
She has to see his potential. She'll be here very soon. Everything has to look absolutely perfect.
Rest assured, I can do this.
Stay out of my sight. Hang those clothes up immediately. Welcome, Miss Harper. We're glad you could join us.
It's a pleasure to be here.
So...
Taught you that, Mia.
Like the one at Ford, unlocked your day. 交给我吧.
She always wastes her time. Don't mind her. You called me because of my talent. Don't ignore the truth. She's the only one. You'll deeply regret it. She's absolutely nothing.
All right, let her go. She'll definitely come back.
You're my beloved granddaughter. Of course you can go. You earned it.
Wow.
Wow. Look, we're here! Are you excited?
This is where you start. No one here will lower the bar for you. You earn everything.
I understand. I'll work hard.
I can do better. Just one more time.
You skipped practice again? You're wasting every opportunity handed to you.
It's boring now. I don't see the point.
Not everything is supposed to be fun. That's why you're falling behind.
I'm not scared anymore. I know what I can do.
Next competitor is Mia Vance.
And we have our winner. Gold medal goes to Mia.
She's our daughter. Look at her. Look at her. Everyone's watching her now. This could change everything for us.
Then we bring her back. She came from this house. That success belongs to this family.
Rules are rules, sir.
She is our own daughter.
Please wait outside the gate.
Mia, there you are. We've been looking everywhere for you. Come home to the penthouse. We've missed you so much. Things will be different now.
You've done well. We're proud of you. It's time you came back home. What you've achieved can help our family's brand and business move forward.
Yeah, don't forget where you came from. Now that you're famous, you can finally elevate this family's status.
When I needed help, you ignored me. When I was hurt, you told me to stay quiet and deal with it.
That was just the past, and we didn't mean it like that.
Don't be ungrateful. We raised you in luxury. You owe us at least that much.
She made her choice a long time ago. And it wasn't this. Security.
Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel to learn English through touching family stories every week.